Hey guys, as you can see, we are on to another video of shipping and supplier model 2 part. So today's topic is going to be on air shipping. So guys, what actually air shipping is? The order that you send by air is known as air shipping, guys. And air shipping usually takes around 3 to 10 working days to ship your product from China to USA house. You can actually do DDP on air shipping. First, you have to know shipping terms before shipping your product. So guys, I'm going to show you shipping term. As you can see here, I've created a example for you guys. So this is shipping term. There are 3 shipping terms. So mainly they are EXW. EXW refers to X works in this bar term as the fully responsibility to ship the goods from the supplier warehouse to your desired destination. So what actually is EXW is you buy your product from supplier and you take all the risks of shipping it from your supplier warehouse to your warehouse or fulfillment center, guys. So as you can see here in the infographic, you buy a product from your supplier. This orange icon refers to supplier and this blue icon refers to yourself. So guys, responsibility of supplier is only this much, only till their factory, and from here factory to loading your first carrier, this and this taxes, all loading, unloading, and up to your warehouse. It's your responsibility to take care of all this headache, guys. So hope you understand what EXW actually is. Taking full responsibility for your product shipment. And secondly, there's FOB. What FOB actually is, it's free on board. In this particular term, buyer has 50% responsibility for the goods. So guys, in this term you will have 50% responsibility, and risk for this shipping term is lesser than the EXW. I don't recommend this shipping term also if you are a complete beginner, guys. Buy a product, your supplier leaves the product on the dock, and after leaving it to the dock, it's your responsibility to take care of the shipment from here to your desired destination or warehouse or your Amazon fulfillment center. So guys, as you can see here, orange refers to supplier risk involvement, and blue refers to your responsibility. So guys, I don't recommend this shipping term also. And lastly, there's DDP term. What DDP actually is, it's delivered duty paid, guys. In this term, supplier will have 100% responsibility for taking care of the goods, from taking care of taxes, duties, insurance, each and everything is taken care by supplier, guys. It's from this will be less headache. And as you can see here, DDP refers to delivery duty paid. In this specific term, supplier has full responsibility for the goods from their warehouse to your desired destination, and all duties paid, taxes, insurance are made by supplier. The shipping term is most. So as you can see, I recommend if you are a complete beginner using this DDP term. You can ask for your supplier. Most of them in Alibaba can do a DDP shipping term, so you can ask for your supplier, guys, if they can do DDP term or not. Only a few of them may not accept DDP term, but most of them will be okay with this DDP shipping term, guys. So as you can see, this orange icon is responsibility of your supplier, and this is responsibility of yours. So as the supplier ships the product till from loading to transporting to taxes, each and everything, till delivering your product to your warehouse or your desired destination or your Amazon fulfillment center, your supplier take care of all this thing, guys. So if you are a complete beginner, I recommend you to choosing DDP and asking your supplier if they can do DDP or not. So guys, hope you got example how this air shipping term actually works, and this refers to sea shipping also, guys.